Stamps are a key part of many workflows. While Revu comes with several preloaded stamps, you can also create your own. To get started, go to Tools, then Stamp, and select Create Stamp. In the Create Stamp dialog box, enter the stamp's subject. This is the name that will appear in your stamps list. Your username will automatically appear in the Author field, but you can edit it if needed. Use the Template drop-down menu to choose a basic layout to begin with. Set the width and height in inches to define the stamp's size. You can also adjust basic appearance settings, such as text and line color, which controls the default border color of your stamp. Once you've made your changes, click OK. Your new stamp will open as a document with a blue boundary box, sized according to your chosen dimensions. You'll know you're editing a stamp if you see a stamp icon in the File Name tab at the top. You can edit your stamp just like any other markup, using the Properties Toolbar or Properties panel. If you want your stamp to automatically update with information like the date or a user, you can add dynamic text. Add a new text box to your stamp, and you'll see the Dynamic menu button appear. Click Dynamic, and the drop-down menu will show options for file, user, and date information. Click on the information you want to add, and the associated script will be inserted into your text box. Be sure to add spaces or dashes between any scripts you add. Once you're satisfied with your stamp, save it. To use your new stamp, go to Tools, then Stamp. You'll find your stamp in the drop-down list in alphabetical order. Click on your stamp, then click anywhere on your document to place it. You can adjust the stamp's size and rotation just like any other markup.